Today, I am reviewing KTC 27-inch 2K QHD 120Hz monitor. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. If you're in the market for a monitor that strikes the perfect balance between sharp visuals, smooth performance, and everyday usability, the KTC 27-inch QHD 120Hz monitor, also known as the H27D9, deserves a serious look. It's a versatile display that performs well for gaming, productivity, and creative work, all while maintaining a clean, modern design and a surprisingly affordable price tag. Let's start with the visuals, because that's where the KTC monitor really shines. This 27-inch display offers a 2K QHD resolution of 2560 by 1440 pixels, giving you a much sharper and more detailed image than a standard 1080p screen. The difference is instantly noticeable. Text looks crisper, games feel more immersive, and videos have that extra layer of clarity that just makes everything pop. The panel uses fast IPS technology, which means you're getting the best of both worlds: rich, accurate colors, and quick response times. The monitor covers 123% of the sRGB color space, which is impressive for its category. That means whether you're editing photos, color grading videos, or just enjoying the latest AAA game, you'll see vibrant, true-to-life colors that look stunning from any angle. And thanks to the 178-degree wide viewing angle, those colors stay consistent whether you're sitting right in front of it or viewing from the side. In terms of brightness, it reaches up to 300 nits, which is plenty for most home and office setups. Combined with a 1300:1 contrast ratio and HDR10 support, the monitor delivers excellent depth and contrast. Blacks look rich, highlights stand out, and overall the image feels well-balanced and natural. For a monitor in this price range, that's a big win. Now, performance-wise, this KTC monitor is no slouch. It supports up to a 120Hz refresh rate, which makes motion look incredibly smooth. If you're upgrading from a 60Hz screen, the difference is night and day. Scrolling through web pages feels fluid, gaming feels more responsive, and animations look crisp and clean. The monitor also supports both FreeSync and G-Sync adaptive sync technologies, which means it can sync with your graphics card to eliminate screen tearing and stuttering. Whether you're gaming on an AMD or NVIDIA GPU, you'll enjoy smoother visuals and less input lag, making it perfect for titles like Valorant, Apex Legends, or even single-player adventures that benefit from fluid motion. The 5-millisecond response time is another nice touch, offering fast pixel transitions that help reduce blur and ghosting. It's not a dedicated esports-level monitor, but for casual and mid-level gaming, it performs exceptionally well. What's great is that KTC didn't forget about comfort and usability. The anti-blue light filter and flicker-free technology are designed to protect your eyes during long work or gaming sessions. Whether you're spending hours editing a project or playing late into the night, these features help reduce fatigue and strain so you can focus longer without discomfort. The matte screen finish also helps prevent reflections, so it works well even in bright environments. The design itself is sleek and modern. Slim bezels on 3 sides give it a nearly frameless look, perfect for a clean, minimalistic desk setup or even a dual-monitor configuration. The stand provides a simple yet sturdy base, and you can tilt the screen to find your ideal viewing angle. And if you prefer a wall or arm mount, it's fully Visa-compatible, so customization is easy. Connectivity is another strong point. You get 2 HDMI 2.0 ports and 1 DisplayPort 1.4, both supporting up to 120 Hz. There's also an audio port for connecting headphones or speakers. This flexibility makes it easy to switch between devices. You can have your PC, gaming console, and laptop all connected at once and simply toggle between them without constantly unplugging cables. It's also compatible with tablets and other display-capable devices, making it a good fit for mixed-use environments. Now, let's talk about value. For what it offers: a QHD resolution, 120Hz refresh rate, fast IPS panel, and adaptive sync, the KTC H27D9 delivers tremendous performance for its price. It feels like a monitor that's built for people who want premium visuals and smooth gameplay without spending hundreds more on high-end models. And it's backed by a 3-year manufacturer warranty, which adds a layer of confidence in its durability and build quality. KTC's customer support is responsive, promising a 12-hour reply time if you ever run into any issues. That kind of after-sales care is always reassuring, especially when it comes to tech gear that you'll be using every day. So, who is this monitor for? Well, it's actually quite versatile. If you're a gamer who wants a smooth, responsive display but doesn't necessarily need 240 Hz, this monitor is a great fit. If you're a content creator or a designer looking for accurate color reproduction and crisp image detail, it works beautifully.